Hello everyone, today we're going to make adobo flakes. These are our ingredients. Shredded chicken, bay leaves, a jar to put the flakes in, pepper, some cooking oil, vinegar, and soy sauce. A spatula to stir the chicken, and a pan to cook the chicken. Before we start cooking, let's wash our hands so we will not contaminate the food. Now let's start cooking. Before we start cooking, make sure some adult supervision. Now let's put the chicken. Make sure the oil is hot when you're going to put the chicken. Now let's put our soy sauce. Now let's add vinegar. Before we continue, let's taste the chicken if the soy sauce and the soy sauce and the vinegar are in the right amount. Okay, it's okay. If it's not okay with your taste, you can add more vinegar and soy sauce. So I think this is crispy now. Now, let's add the bay leaves. Make sure to stay away so the oil will not splash to yourself. Now I think it's good enough. Let's transfer this into a bowl. Now before we transfer our chicken adobo flakes into our bowl, make sure to put a kitchen towel. Let's put it here. Now let's get our meat. Let's transfer it there slowly because it's hot. Smells good. Now that our adobo flakes are complete, let's cool it down for 5 to 10 minutes. Then when it's fully cooled down, we can put it in a jar. And now it's time to taste with some rice. Now let's do a taste test for the adobo flakes. Let's eat this with rice. Eat it.
Delicious! Good as the winner! Good!
It's crunchy, not too salty. Not too strong. Okay, so this one is very nice. Now let's ask my sisters what do they think. So Mamay, what do you think?
It tastes good.
What else?
And it's so very yummy and I want to eat it all.
Okay, so what do you think?
Salty, yummy. Not too salty, don't worry.
Yeah, it's not too salty, which is mostly
It's
important.
crunchy and it's hard to eat.
Yeah, it's
Because
hard also because it's crunchy. It's
Very
quite
crunchy
hard to chew.
and it's yummy and I
it is done cooling down, let's transfer it into the jar. And that is the end of my project. I hope you enjoyed and learned something new to cook. Bye!